A fast-paced world needs a fast-paced industry. In today's nonstop world, one career field ensures smooth, safe travel for people and provides economical opportunities for the world. Connecting the world in a matter of hours, aviation is responsible for contributing $1.6 trillion, or 5.1% of the United States gross domestic product per year. Whether it's manned or unmanned, at Minnesota State we work with the biggest names in aviation, offering a wide variety of training. Coupled with the latest and greatest simulators and diagnostic tools, we fly with you, building skills and confidence to graduate highly proficient aviation professionals. From helicopter piloting to commercial aircraft maintenance, we specialize and propel students into successful futures. You're clear for takeoff. Your career in aviation starts at Minnesota State.